In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your STEAMID64, STEAMID and STEAMID3 for any Steam profile in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the world of Steam, knowing how to locate these IDs can prove extremely useful, especially if you're planning to use them for modding, server hosting, or just trying to connect with friends. To begin, let's start by opening your Steam application on your computer. Once you have it fired up, look to the upper right hand corner of the window where you'll see the login option. Click on that to bring up the login screen. On this screen, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Make sure you're using the correct email and password combination to avoid any frustrating lockout moments. After your details are correctly filled in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the Steam homepage. From there, locate your profile name, usually displayed in the top right corner. Clicking on your profile name will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the View My Profile option. This will take you directly to your personal Steam profile page. Here's where the magic begins. At the top of your browser, you'll see the URL for your Steam profile. What you want to do is copy this entire URL. We're going to use this to find your Steam ID information. To do that, head over to Steamid.io, a website designed to help you look up these details. Once there, you'll see an input box labeled Lookup placed prominently on the page. Paste your copied Steam profile URL into the input box. Now, you might feel tempted to hit the enter button here, but instead look for the lookup button on the site. Give it a click, and within moments you'll be presented with your Steam ID information. Among the data provided, you'll find your STEAMID64, STEAMID and STEAMID3 all neatly displayed and ready for your use. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully learned how to find your STEAMID64, STEAMID and STEAMID3. This straightforward process is quick, easy and very handy for many applications within the Steam community. Whether you're setting up a game server, adding a friend, or just exploring the vast capabilities of Steam, knowing your IDs can make everything smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and happy gaming.